Hi everyone, welcome back to SQ World. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to select a dropdown in Selenium. Dropdowns are commonly used for selecting options on web forms, and Selenium provides easy ways to automate this process. Let's explore how to select options from dropdown menus in Selenium. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the selecting checkbox in a Selenium. In this tutorial, I will explain the selecting of drop downs in a Selenium step by step. So let's begin. Create a new file inside this project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, drop down underscore select, and then click on Python file. First thing we need to do, import the Selenium WebDriver from Selenium import WebDriver. Next, we need to import by for locating the element by ID or name. So import from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and import by. Next, initialize the WebDriver driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. Before selecting the dropdown, we need to navigate to this URL and then click on this dropdown. After clicking this dropdown, here you can view two options are available, option 1 and option 2. First, navigate to this URL, copy this URL and open PyCharm. Here create a variable URL equal to, enter the URL, that navigate to the URL driver dot get. By using get, you can navigate to the URL. Next, we need to click on this drop down. In Selenium, we can select the drop down with different ways. Select drop down by index, and the second option, select option by index. Second, select option by value, and third, select option by visible text. In Selenium, we can select the drop down with different ways. In this tutorial, I will explain step by step how you can select the option by index, value, and visible text. First, we need to locate the element which is drop down. Right click on this and then click on inspector. Here we can locate this element. Please select an option by ID. Here ID is available. Copy this ID and then use drop down. This is variable name, and then use driver dot find element dot ID code, and then enter the value of this ID which is drop down. Next, we need to use the select class. Select class basically used for selecting the option in our Selenium. Select is equal to select, and enter this variable name which is drop down. Let's change the value here, drop down underscore element, and same change value here. drop down element. If you hover on this select unresolved reference select, click on import this name and then import Selenium.WebDriver support.select. Here you can view the error has been born. Next, we can select the option by visible text. So use select dot. Here you can view the multiple options for selecting this value, select by value, index and visible text. Click on select by visible text and then here the drop down option 1 value text is option 1. Copy this text and paste here option 1. Let's add some weight here. Time dot slip and add 3-second wait here, and then after selecting the option 1 wait for 3 seconds. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on run drop down. Select. First it will navigate to this URL and then select the option 1. Here you can view the option 1 has been selected. Next we can select this value of drop down by given value, which is 1. We can select this option 2, which is value is 2. Just change here select by value. The third option, we can select this drop down value by index. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first navigate to this URL and select the second value, because here we enter the second value. And the third option, we can select the option by index. The index always started with 0. This is 0 and 1 and 2. For suppose you want to select the option 2, so this value of index is 2. Now currently click on this inspect. So this index is 1. Just change here select by index, and the index is 1. Here you can the first option, please select an option. This is disable, and this option 0, 1 and 2 index. Let's run this script. In this scenario, the option will be selected by index. We select an option and option 1 has been selected. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to SQL World for more Selenium tutorials. See you in the next video.